Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable smart thermostat schedules for weekdays and weekends. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable smart thermostat schedules for weekdays and weekends, first, ensure your smart thermostat is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the companion app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your account if prompted. Locate the main menu within the app. Find the option for schedules or thermostat settings and select it. You may see options for weekday and weekend schedules. Choose the weekday schedule option first. Select the time you want your heating or cooling to start. Input the desired temperature for that time. Next, set the time you want the heating or cooling to stop. Again, input the desired temperature for the off period. Review the schedule to ensure accuracy. Save your weekday schedule. Now, select the weekend schedule option. Repeat the process to set the desired start time, temperature, and stop time for the weekend. Confirm the weekend schedule settings are correct. Save your changes. Finally, check the main dashboard to verify both schedules are active. Your smart thermostat is now set to follow different schedules for weekdays and weekends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.